Hello guys, good morning. So today we will learn about the different types of computer. Yes, a computer is most imaginary machine that manages the many different types of instructions which are given by user, finally produce the accurate output for user. Computer is able to perform all types of simple and complex operations. Computer is electronic as device, so it contains the different hardware components such as circuits, transistors and wires, etc. Can you elaborate the different types of computer?
Inshallah. There are 4 types of computers with their classification, such as by size and capacity, by data handling and operating system capabilities, by based on number of microprocessors, by based on number of users.
Jazakallah. On the basis of size and capacity, we have 5 types of computers. These are supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer and embedded computer.
Jazakallah. Let me explain the supercomputer and mainframe computer. In old days, large enterprises and organizations used a supercomputer because they required large-scale computing power. A supercomputer is architectural and operational, totally depend on parallel and grid processing, because with the help of thousands of processor, all processes are executed simultaneously. Supercomputer mostly implemented in large-scale scientific and engineering areas, because where required maintenance for large amount of database. Some examples are Titan, Sequoia, Cake Computer, Mira, Jacoin, Supermuck, and their functions are industrial function, space exploration, weather forecasting, nuclear testing. Yes. The latest supercomputer developed by Japan's state-backed Riken Research Institute is the world's fastest for computing speed, according to a twice-yearly ranking announced Monday by the US European TOP 500 project, marking the first time in 9 years that a Japanese supercomputer has captured the top position. The supercomputer, named Fugaku after Mount Fuji, also took the top spot in 3 other categories that measured performance and computational methods for industrial use, artificial intelligence applications and big data analytics. But on the other hand, mainframe computer uses the primary memory such as RAM and multiple processors. It serves as a central processing unit for all workstations and terminals points associated with it. A mainframe computer was designed to be used to process large amounts of data in petabytes. It able controls thousands of users at one time. The name of mainframe means a frame to hold multiple processors and main memory. Some examples are banking, government, education system. Mainframe computer. The functions of mainframe computer are government data processing, banking, insurance.
Wow, great explanation. Jazakallah. Let me explain the mini computer. Mini computer is introduced in mid-1960. This types of computers is small size compared to supercomputer and mainframe computer, in which had been used the different technologies such as transistors and core memory. Digital Equipment Corporation was made first mini computer with US $161,000. In this computer also, multiple persons can work at a time without waiting. Some examples are tablet PC, desktop mini computer, smartphone, notebooks, and their functions are processing, monitoring, data acquisition, feedback. But on the other hand, microcomputer is a small in size. You can say it equivalent to personal computers. In microcomputer use different technologies like a CPU, one single chip, microprocessor, input/output devices and other storage parts. This is multi-user computer that is big advantage. Some examples are PDA, PC, smartphone, notebooks, and their functions are application processing, education, amusement.
Let me explain the embedded computer. It is a microcontroller technologies-based system, and this has been designed for specific task. Embedded computer does not need more power for large computing. These computers are able to support some devices. Examples are DVD, medical equipment, printer, fax, washing machine.
Okay, very good, dear. Can you explain the types of computer on the basis of data handling and operating system capabilities?
Wow. Great. Inshallah. These are analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. Analog computer uses some physical facts continuously variable for solving problems such as mechanical, hydraulic and electrical quantities. Anything that is variable concerning time and ceaseless can be asserted as simple clock measures through the separation fixed to the clock spokes through time, much the same as simple clock measures.
Very good, dear. Let me explain digital computer and hybrid computer. In the digital computer, all calculations and other operations are represented in the form of digits such as binary system 0 and 1. These computers are able to perform global weather patterns, control industrial, mathematical calculations, and other complicating calculations as well. Hybrid computers are combination both analog and digital computers, because these computers are able to execute both data such as analog and digital. These computers take input in the form of analog signals, convert them into digital, and produce the output in digital form.
Wow! Great. Let me explain the types of computer, based on number of microprocessors. 1. Sequential computers. The sequential computing is traditional architecture. In this model, all instructions are performed one by one, so speed of this computing is slow compared to parallel computing. 2. Parallel computers. Parallel computing is imaging type of model in which many processors or applications execute simultaneously. In parallel computing splits the overload work into more than one processor, and computation simultaneously. Classification of parallel computing, bit-level parallelism, instruction-level parallelism, ILP, data parallelism, task parallelism.
Wow, very good, dear. Let me explain the types of computer. Based on number of users. 1. Single user. In this model, only one user can perform task at a time. 2. Multi-user. In this model, only multiple users can perform task at a time. 3. Network types, in which has special functionality. In this model, connect computer and other terminals with local area network.
Wow, great discussion of the different types of computer based on different criteria. Essentially, this is very important topic for the students of computers. Goodbye and God bless you.